right, if you're tired of the cold, well, just wait a few more days and we'll be warm again, at least for a while.
Yes, we have been in this very cold pattern for a long time now. So the fact that we're actually switching to above average temperatures, I think it's going to feel incredibly warm. I know even just a couple of weeks ago, or maybe about a week ago, I went outside and it was like 33, 34, and I was like, wow, it feels great out here, or at least it felt warm. So we do have an area of low pressure that's passing mostly to our south. So we have a couple of snow flurries in areas of York and Cumberland counties. I did see a picture from Ogunquit a little earlier, saw some snow falling there. Not really expecting any accumulating snow. However, we do have some cloud cover in the southern half of the state, and that shows a big difference on our temperature map. So you can see it's a bit warmer, 18 in Sanford, 14 in Portland, still cold, but warmer than the rest of the state. Right now it's only 1 degree in Bangor, minus 18 in Holton, minus 13 in Calais and Caribou, minus 6 in Millinocket. So it really speaks to what just a little bit of cloud cover can do for your temperatures. So as we get into this afternoon, the system will move offshore to our south, and that opens a door for even more Arctic air to come in. So later today, we'll have partly cloudy skies, but our overnight low temperatures will be extremely cold, getting down into the 0 or below 0 all the way down to the coastline. And then therefore tomorrow, our high temperatures will be the coldest of the week, high temps only in the teens likely. But we will have increasing clouds later in the day on Monday, ahead of another clipper system that will bring us some more snow showers starting around dinner time on Monday in areas of western Maine, overspreading the state overnight into early Tuesday morning, mainly in areas of southern and western Maine. So Tuesday will actually be the starting day of our warmer trend. High temperatures on Tuesday will be in the mid to upper 20s. So this is a look at the snowfall we'll see from that clipper system. Most areas of southern and western Maine will see about 1 to 2 inches, so it is a fairly weak clipper system that moves through. And then once we start to warm up for the second half of the week, the pattern also starts to warm up too. We're going to be watching a winter system with a wintry mix that comes in on Wednesday. That will be a switch over into rain because we will have temperatures in the mid 30s. And then we'll have another system that comes in on Friday, except that one has a little bit of uncertainty to it. For example, the European model has the center of low pressure farther south, and we end up with a rain-snow mix similar to what we would see on Wednesday, except a little bit more rain. However, the GFS has this system passing completely to our north, and we'd end up with an almost completely dry day on Friday. I think it's more likely that we will see some precipitation, but maybe more shower activity than some more heavier rain, for example. So still chilly today, very cold tomorrow, and then we start to warm up for the middle and end of next week, with temperatures returning to above average for the first time in a while, with high temperatures in the upper 30s to low 40s. Marine forecast sees 1 to 3 feet, small craft advisory. So here's a look at that 7-day forecast. Partly cloudy this afternoon after the snow flurries depart. Extremely cold overnight tonight, and then cold during the day tomorrow too. High temperatures only in the teens. And then we will have some snow in areas of southern and western Maine, about 1 to 2 inches Monday night into Tuesday morning. And then once we warm up, we have a few systems to watch, Leanne, mainly a wintry mix on Wednesday and some showers Friday and into the weekend. So as we start to warm up, the pattern starts to warm up as well, Leanne, which is why we're not going to get as much snow in this 7-day forecast, which I know this time of year for the winter lovers especially is not exactly what they're going for, but it will be a little bit warmer for those who haven't been a fan of the very cold weather we've been having lately.
Me. All right.